The only way you're dining at Safi's is if you get in early. And the only way you're living in Virgil Green is if you get in early. I'm Tyler Drinkwater, local Los Angeles real estate agent. I'm about to take you on a tour of our newest development, Virgil Green. Let's start on the third level. Every unit at Virgil Green is 3 stories, 3 bed, 3.5 bath. They are all 1,835 square feet. This is the north facing unit. Every unit in Virgil Green has east and west exposures, and they all get the benefit of these massive landscape windows. On the third level, you will find your living level. You have a powder room tucked into the corner, and then you have an abundance of natural light from 5 different skylights. You have a private balcony. All units at Virgil Green do have this private balcony off of the living room, as well as the primary suite. This is the west facing window. Out there you can see, if I zoom in a bit, you have the observatory, and what's more LA than the Hollywood sign. Every unit at Virgil Green has this center kitchen plan with the large eat-at island, as well as a suite of Samsung smart appliances. This is a 4-burner induction oven. And range, you also get the wine cooler refrigerator on the other side of the island. Let's go downstairs, and if you notice, the stairs are actually whole tread, real wood. There was no skimping on materials selected for this home. This is imported Spanish engineered hardwood oak. We're in the second bedroom on the second floor. You have a great slider closet. And then the bathrooms do have this beautiful, smooth plaster finish. We go down the hallway. We're gonna pass the laundry closet with some extra storage. And then we are in the primary. All primaries do have the west-facing exposure, private balcony, large walk-in closet, as well as where your tech stack will be. And then here is the primary bath. You get the dual vanity, as well as this walk-in shower with the smooth plaster finish. We go down one last set of stairs to the entry level. And on the entry level, you're gonna have your 2-car garage with some extra storage, as well as the hookup for an EV. And then you have this top coat cement floor, more big natural windows, natural light, natural windows, natural light. And then you have the bathroom downstairs. Again, every unit has 3 bed, 3.5 bath, all en suite. Thank you for coming along on the tour. If you would like an in-person private tour of Virgil Green or any other home in Los Angeles, my information is on the screen as well as in the description. Let me know what you think of this north-facing unit. I think the corner windows, those huge landscape windows taking up both east and west exposures on the 3rd floor, plus the 5 skylights, is incredible. But let me know what you think. Is this someplace that you would like to live? Are you a natural light fan? Would you like the stairs, or would you be burdened by them? I'm here for all of it. I would love to hear your comments. I appreciate you taking the time to check it out. Our residences here start at $1,199,000. We do have 6 total residences in Virgil Green. 1 is under contract at the moment, leaving 5 available, including the northern unit that I'm currently in, our southern unit, which if you haven't seen that, click the link right here to check out that video. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you on the next one.